So let's talk about exporting image files from Microsoft Visio. So to do that, I can go to File right here. I can go to Export and choose Change File Type. Once I do that, you can see that you have different graphic file types right here, like PNG, JPG, EMF, and SVG. You can also go back and you can actually go to Save As, Browse, and then choose the file type from over here as well. So let me just go over here into Export. Let me just go to Change File Type, and I'm going to select JPEG. There's also other file formats like PNG, which supports transparency right here. There's EMF, high quality format, which stores both vector and raster graphics, while SVG only stores the raster graphics. So the vector graphics. So I'm going to go over here into JPEG, which is the most common file format. And once I do that, I'm going to click Save As. And once I do that, you can see that there's JPEG option right here. So now, in order to work with the option, you can actually go into JPEG right here. You can see that that's the option. I can go to Save. And once you do that, you can see that there's different options for the JPEG. Let me just save the file to desktop. Let me just go over here. Let me go to Save As right now. And on my desktop, I'm going to save it as a JPEG file. So I'm going to go over here into JPEG Save. So once you do that, you have a JPEG Save option. So there's Operation, which is baseline. That's the only option for JPEG. You can choose the background color into something else. Let's say I'm going to choose a light green, for example. You can save the quality right here as well, and the color format, which is just the RGB. That's the option. And that's the quality as well. 75% preserves a lot of quality, but it has more file size. So I'm just going to say 50% right here. So just go to 50%. I can go over to rotation and rotate the file. I can flip the file as well, flip it vertically right here. Or I can go to custom pixels for custom resolution right here. So just go to screen right here. And I can also have a custom size. So if I want to analyze the custom size right here and input my own resolution, I can do that as well. So once I do that, I'm going to press OK, and the file has been exported. So if I were to go into desktop right here, you see the drawing. So once I double click, you see that the background is green as we chose, and this is a JPG file. And if I were to right click and see the properties of the file, you can see that it's just 136. So if you want to share such diagrams, then you can simply use the JPG and other image formats according to your liking. So that is how you save images from Microsoft Visio. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.